Hello and welcome to the biggest family in YouTube. Oh shit, the sun. So today I'm skating. Yep. Today I'm like exploring. Got up my book bag. I decided to get off home. This is my condominium. So big. Like I have this one condominium. I have like 30 condominiums in the same condominium. Almost full. It's a lot of rock. So guys, being announced soon by the GoPro. So the GoPro is gonna be next month. Hope you win it. You're gonna be the one. There's not enough light. But what? Tell you what, I'm around. I'm here at the club. Yep, that's the gym right there. And this is me. You are getting each other speed. I just want to create a jump. Get over this thing. Boom. No, I have to do it carefully because it's full. My mom told me, like if you break a leg, you go into the hospital with skating. Yeah, no, it's a little bit crazy. So today I decided to get off home and explore the nature. That's what I'm doing right now. Exploring the nature. Look at those little duckies right now. So, chilling. Woo! Look at him. Okay, I'm gonna go right there. Oh shit. I think I'm gonna stay here. Not a beautiful day. Check that out. You better shit that. Today I'm filming with my phone because I don't know what the hell is happening to the camera. But no, don't care. Let's go. Exploring the nation, I like it. Filming with my phone. The camera is a ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. The camera is ding dong. Camera's running crazy, guys. What is happening to it? But I don't like it. Just want to visit the courts of that. I'm gonna hide my phone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hide all that. But I don't even think of getting it in. Oh shit, I'm tired. Not easy to film with the phone. I actually have to look to the camera, but I look to me right there. It's confusing. Anyway, you just look at the lens. That's where you look. Wanna start this? Actually, no Spanish, but I think I'm a gringo. They say that the galaxy has fires that are sitting in the water. Let's see it. Woo! I'm gonna throw my phone in there. Maybe some crazy guy, but I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god. This day is perfect. Look, it's afternoon. I think I'm starting a little bit late, but I've been passing the day sleeping, guys. Yesterday I have a headache and it feels off. Really off. I never bring my own bottle water. I didn't. So let's keep going. Oh, I'm Oh, check this out. He's out. Oh shit. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh shit. Oh snap. I have to run with the skates. When do you do that? If you do it, if you haven't done it before, give it in the comments. I want to know. It's actually kind of cool because it's like the skates and you're running like shoes. Oh my god. I don't know where the heck I'm gonna go now. I think. Woo! Let's go to the condominiums. So let's go, baby. Let's run fast. Fast. Woo! Yep. I used to scream like that when I was inside it. But I don't do it anymore. Shit, I'm going a little bit fast. That's why I'm excited. Beep. Beep beep. So, running through the sky. Little ones. Oh. I don't know what the hell. Actually, if I go this way, it's more light. Yeah. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Oh my god, I believe you're having a blast day. Woo, coming back, huh? I believe you're having a blast day, guys. Shit. Kind of cool. Love it. Yeah. It's cool. You told your mom, Mommy, I need to go to the disco. I'm gonna vlog today. And she said, go ahead. Actually, my mom is helping me a lot with this, the YouTuber thing. She bought me this new phone because she knows if my camera breaks, I can use the camera of the phone because it's so nice. So, you chill, I'm gonna fall. Look what I found. I found a tete. I'm not gonna do that. That's nasty. You. So what should I maybe do? You wanna see my pool? Of course. Let's go. Alright, you tell me in the comments right now. Stop the video. Put in the comments if you wanna see the pool. I'm going to the pool. Tell me in the video. Stop the video right now and tell me if the pool is a triangle, like a L, a circle, or on a square. You gotta start the video, no cheating, okay? You guys cannot be cheating. You guys are cheaters. Oh. I'm actually tired right now. I'm gonna show you my pool, my lake, and my gym. Well, it's not, none of that is mine, but I live here. I pay $1,500 for living in here, so I might say she wanna buy a house, but she didn't because we are living right now in a private condominium. So this is kind of cool. You have to give a password so you can go in. That's kind of cool. Water Nation. So guys, let's come here. Look at the bull. Actually, like just like this. Look at it. That's so I don't care. I wanted to come to the pool today, but my mom just saying no. She keeps saying that. Because I think I'm gonna be filming with my phone every day. I don't know. So look at the lake. This is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I'm excited. This is the second vlog that I put on my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is the second one. Walking through the sky, little Einstein, hey. In a favor, pink sheet, walking through the sky, little. All right, you guys gonna touch the water. Whoa! No! Ow! You hit my face now. Oh shoot, my phone. Oh my god, I'm a little bit scared. I have a selfie stick. Look. I have my selfie stick. But I'm a little scared. It falls down like this. Ah! Walking through the sky. Little Einstein. Up aboard. Ready to this world. Ready to the sky. Little Einstein. Woo! You guys are in the drawing. You guys are in the drawing. Woo! Come here. Gotcha. You guys are awesome. You guys are my friends. You're really there when I need you. Hope you guys having a blast days. I gotta go, guys. I'm really not good with I want to continue, but I can. It's not you, it's me. Enough. You hang up. No, you hang up. No, me, no, you hang up. Oh, it's always me. Guys, I love you. You guys are the best. You're one of a kind. I love you so much. I will marry you, but I have to go. Don't forget to always be hot.